Greetings all. In this video I will be creating a ribbon bow for a wreath. I'm using the bow dabber, which really helps a lot when trying to create a bow. So this is how it looks. I purchased it from Michael's. So I started off with the tail, put the tail in the center. And we have the roll of wired ribbon. You always have to use wired ribbon. So I'll start off with a small piece of ribbon. Just going to slide it in there. Roll out the ribbon. And proceed to make loops. Now I'm going to use my eyesight. I'm not actually going to measure the loops. So I'll make turn it this way. And start going over to the right. Twist it. And slide it in. Unravel some more ribbon. And we do that likewise on this side. Make a loop. In like that. I don't want the loops too large because the wreath is not actually that large. So one side of the loop like that. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to draw it in a little bit more. Okay, here it is. We have one loop here and one loop there. So now I'm going to make another loop. Loop number 2. It takes a lot of practice when using the bow dabber. Basically what it does is help you to make the loops and help keep the loops that you're making in place. This tool here, have it where I could just squish it down, or just use my hand, one or the other. It's another loop. So we have 3 loops on this side. That's 1, 2. Okay, I have 3 loops on that side, so now I'm going on 4 loops. They say practice makes perfect, so I would think that if I do more of these, it would come easy. I basically, like I said, know that it just helps to keep the ribbon in place while we're making the loops. And I just have to decide how many of these loops I would love to. Let me see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm gonna stop at 5 each. Okay, we need the scissor. And I'm going to cut that part. This tool once again, press it down as hard as I can. And then underneath here I have the wire. So I'm just going to bring the wire up one end of the wire up, and there's the other part of the wire. It's right here. Pull it up. And what I'll do is take and tie a loop through the wire. Just bring it in. At least to do it the way I want. Yes. Okay. See how I have that? Okay, I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. Then I'm going to twist it. I plan to do maybe another video doing the bow. And before I go off from doing this workshop, subscribe so you can be informed of new videos that I will be posting. Now that I just twist it a little bit more so it stays in place. And see the leftover wire here. And then what I'm going to do is take the loops and just open them up, fluff them open. This is a very pretty ribbon. It has a lot of sparkles on it, but glitter rather. It's very, very pretty. And I look at this, pretty nice. Now we have the bow. And what I'm going to do is place it right on the top of the wreath. When I say place, I really should say placed it to see how it would look, and use the glue. We'll take the glue gun. I can tell you need glue, and at the top I'm going to, oops, okay, use a lot of glue there, and then what I'll do is place the bow right in the center. I'll hold it there for a while. And then we have the tails hanging. The tails are kind of long, but what I'm going to do is cut the tails just a little bit, the ribbon tail. You could cut it in a slant. And once it dries, it'll stay. So what I'm going to do is just show you how it looks. Push this up a little bit and get it up here. Let's just see, we can open up the loops a little bit. once it thoroughly dries, it'll stay on for good. As a matter of fact, let me just open up the loops. I really should have waited for it to fully dry. I just want you to just have an idea of how the bowl looks. Remember, ribbons must be wired, because when you have it wired, it actually helps to design, design the bow in a nice way. Anyway, there you have your bow on the wreath. It's a big bow, but that's okay. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thanks for watching.